Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Propolis Light Ampoule. Start with a clean canvas. After cleansing your face, gently pat it dry. Next, apply your favorite toner to balance your skin's pH and create the perfect base for absorption. Now, take your Propolis Light Ampoule. Dispense about 2 to 3 drops onto your fingertips. This small amount is usually enough to cover your entire face and neck, delivering potent benefits. Once you have the drops on your fingertips, gently pat the ampoule onto your face. Avoid rubbing vigorously. Instead, use light, tapping motions to help the product penetrate. Pay special attention to any areas that might need extra hydration or soothing. Give it a moment to fully absorb into your skin before moving on to your next skincare step. After the ampoule has absorbed, follow up with your preferred moisturizer to lock in all the goodness and provide an extra layer of hydration. For optimal results, incorporate the Propolis Light Ampoule into your daily morning and evening skincare routine. Regular use can help soothe your skin, reduce redness, and promote a brighter, more even complexion. Always perform a patch test on a small area of skin first, especially if you have sensitive skin, to ensure no adverse reactions. Store your Propolis Light Ampoule in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight to maintain its efficacy. Remember, consistency is key for seeing noticeable improvements. Also, be sure to check the description below for links to amazing deals on e-readers and other fantastic products.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.